2018, I'm going to raise my voice by making every decision through the lens of, is this making the world a better place for my daughter?
By raising my son as a feminist, and also encouraging all of my friends to vote.
In 2016, the scam registered over 95,000 women to vote.
Yeah. Yes, we want to make it easier for women to get informed, make it easier to register to vote, and get to the polls.
By mobilizing tens of thousands of caregivers and domestic workers to the polls to elect candidates that listen to us, represent us, and want to move a real women's agenda for change.
By helping to pass stronger laws that protect women from domestic gun violence. We know these laws save lives.
I pledge to raise my voice by continuing to tell unapologetic stories featuring strong and complex female characters.
As executive producer of The Bold Type on Freeform, I'm creating a role model, a working woman boss that younger women can look up to, and who's not a bitch.
By empowering more girls to be in the STEAM field, it's going to be such an exciting opportunity to see more women emerging in science and technology.
I'm going to publish and make and create and share it with the world.
I'm going to use my voice to get more women at the tables where decisions are made.
To increase the number of female firefighters to 1% and African Americans to 10% within the next 5 years in the FDNY, finally getting rid of the word fireman. It's gotta go.
It's to help use the platform that we have in the WWE to help make the world a better place.
To fight for more equal opportunities for women.
I pledge to find new ways for women of color to express themselves in writing.
I pledge to continue to tell women's stories, to raise our voices up. Telling our stories is the way we're going to make change happen.
And using my platform to pave the way for other females to support each other in kind and authentic ways.
There's so many injustices, war, poverty, racism, sexism, of course. So I will do what I've been doing for many years. I will raise my voice.
It's so important right now for us to be standing up for one another's issues and not just our own.
Go big or go home, and we're not going home.
Let's get it.